STEM kids, it gives a practical exposure for the students. They were enthusiastic to learn, like how to modulate, what are the components. They are eagerly waiting to receive the kits, what may be the next concept like that. They learn through the STEM education. It improves their critical thinking skills and hands-on experience of the particular concept. They'll get clarity. So it makes them to achieve their goals in an easy way.
I've completed magnetic switch lamp, Newton superhero, and tilt switch.
My favorite one is 360 rotatable fan.
So magnetic switch lamp, tilt switch, and Newton superhero.
Fan, magic box, playing with switch. From textbooks, we will learn about the object and things. From these kits, we will learn how to create and how to use it.
It is interesting that the turning on and off of the light takes place by changing the position of the switch. I like how it works.
It helped me understand how magnet and electric circuit works together.
Because by books we get the knowledge, we get the theory part, and by kids we get to implement in real life.
We can learn how we could play with switch, how we can create ourselves, how we can learn about that.
So using those equipments, the students have start making learning more fun. They're very confident. They think learning is no longer something which is very boring, but it's more about fun. Learning can be fun, and they communicate with the teacher very well, and there's teamwork in when they're learning. So I feel it's a very good platform to make learning more fun rather than something just that traditional learning where we had only blackboard and then teacher teaching.